All right. Good morning, guys. All right. Today, just we are going to have brief introduction part about Java programming language. What is the requirement to learn a Java programming language? What is the need? Then after that, what is the requirement? That means after that, what is our plan to understand about Java programming language? These many things here we are going to understand in today's session. So let's observe this clearly, guys. Java is available in how many parts now? Any idea? Basically, might be before come for this today's class, you might be have some awareness on this Java programming language. How many parts of Java programming language is existed there? As per your awareness, you might be aware 3 parts are available in Java. Am I right or not? Guys, please answer for my questions. As per your awareness, no, how many parts are existed there? 3 parts are existed in Java. Am I right or not? What are the 3 parts which are available in Java? First one is core Java, right? And second one is advanced Java. And the third one is J2EE. What's the third one here? J2EE. So overall, 3 parts are available in Java. What are the 3 parts are available in Java? Core Java. Second one is what? Advanced Java. And the third one is what? J2EE. Straightly, I'm asking one question now. Whatever the classification here we are thinking, whatever the names here we provided, all these names are right or wrong. This classification in Java is a right classification or a wrong classification. Strictly, I'm telling to you, whatever the names here we specified, these names are totally wrong names in Java. This is not the right classification what Java has given. What Sun Microsystems has given, this is not the right classification. In Java, 3 parts are available, I to agree that. But they are not like only core Java, advanced Java and J2EE. This is somewhat different terminology. It is not right terminology. Okay, this is wrong terminology, I to agree. Then what is right terminology? What is this right terminology? If you observe this terminology, if you come for it, answer is very clear. Try to understand it. No, Java is available in 3 parts only, no doubt for that. But the terminology is what? First one is J2SE or Java SE. J2SE or what next one there? No, Java SE. This is the very first one. And the second one is J2EE or Java EE. J2EE or Java EE. Initially J2EE, now at present Java EE. Both are same. Next one is, the third one is J2ME or Java ME. J2ME or Java ME. This is the right terminology which was provided by Sun Microsystems. Everybody understand my point clearly? It is not like core Java, advanced Java, J2EE. This is like what there, J2SE, J2EE, and what next one here? No, J2ME. Everybody understand my point clearly? Okay, fine. Okay, sir, clear. In Java, 3 parts are available: J2SE, J2EE, and J2ME. Okay, I understood 3 parts. But what is the purpose of each and every part? What we have to know about each and every part? What is there with all the 3 parts? Right, if we come for this particular point, answer is very clear. Try to understand this answer now. For example, if you observe this J2SE, if you understand this J2SE, what is this J2SE actually? What is the abbreviation for J2SE actually? Any idea? Any idea what is the J2SE actually? Yes, Java 2 Standard Edition. What is this J2SE actually? Java 2 Standard Edition. Okay, sir. Abbreviation is okay. Java 2 Standard Edition. What this Java 2 Standard Edition will cover for us? What it able to cover for us, for our applications now? What it able to cover? What it will provide to us? If we come for this point, answer is very clear. It will cover only fundamentals of Java programming. It will cover only fundamentals of Java programming, not complete Java programming. It will cover only fundamentals of Java programming. That's it. Not the total complete programming, not total Java, just only basics. For example, if you want to construct this building, the foundation part is required or not? The ground foundation is required or not? Up to that, this J2SE part will be covered. It will not cover the total Java, complete enterprise level. It will not cover. Only fundamentals of the Java, only basics of the Java will be covered by this J2SE part. Fine. With these fundamentals of the Java, what we are able to prepare? With only these fundamentals of the Java, are you able to prepare any application? Is it possible for us to prepare any application by using only fundamentals of the Java? Right. If we come for this point, answer is very clear. Answer is what? With the fundamentals of the Java, we are able to prepare one type of application. What is the type of applications? No, they are nothing but standalone applications. With the fundamentals of the Java, we are able to prepare only standalone applications. With the fundamentals of the Java, we are able to prepare only standalone applications. Observe carefully. Then here we have a question. What about my question here? What is a standalone application? What exactly the meaning of standalone application? Okay, only standalone applications only we are able to create by using J2SE, that we know. Then what is standalone application? What is the meaning of the standalone applications? If we come for this point, answer is very clear. Try to recognize this point here. What is a standalone application actually? Everybody understand my point clearly. I'll give a definition. If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture, without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as what? Standalone application. Come on guys, what is the definition I've given? Tell me, what is the standalone application? If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as what? A standalone application. Come on, speak out. What exactly the definition I've given? What is it? What is a standalone application? Can you tell me, guys? Come on, you have to open your mouth. Today is the first class, right? All of you are completely silent. I don't know what is the reason for it. Had breakfast? All of you are having breakfast? I think so. No, this is not the right time, right? At 8:30, you used to go for breakfast. Am I right? Are you expecting breakfast from Durgasoft? Along with the demo sessions. Huh? Right, sir. See, one thing I'm telling there. This should be a bit interaction. Don't worry. Then here I'm here to explain the total Java. Feel comfortable first of all. Don't sit with sticky mode. Feel comfortable. Haramly sit. Try to understand whatever the things I'm trying to say. And whenever I'm asking some questions, try to give answers for it. Then definitely you will understand Java in very much effective mode. Don't worry for that. I will take care about it. How to inject Java to you, I will take care about it. But only the point is what? Whatever the statements I'm giving, try to listen. Whenever I'm asking the questions, try to answer for it. Why? Because I will understand your situation, like whether you are understanding or not, by understanding, by listening your response only. But if you are not to open your mouth, then where I can understand the concepts now? Okay, leave it anyway. Tell me guys, what is the standalone application I given there? What exactly the definition I given? If we design and execute any application, if we design and execute any application without using what? Client server architecture, or without distributing application logic over multiple missions. Over multiple missions. Then that application is called as what? A standalone application. That's it. Not more than that. Very, very simple definition. Please remember this point here. On the first day itself, I'm not going to teach the total Java. And very first day itself, I'm not going to teach the total Java. Just I want to introduce what is Java, and I want to give the fundamental definitions only. For standalone applications, I can give more complex definition also, but not required today. Today, just very, very high level definition I'm telling. Tell me at least now, tell me, what is standalone application? Exactly. If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture. In general, we have some awareness on this client server architecture. Client is existed here, server is available here. So client will send request to the server. Server will give some response to the client. At server side, one program will be executed. Understand my point or not? Client will send request to the server. At server side, no program is executed. By executing that program, some response will be generated. That response will be given back to the respective client. So this is what exactly the meaning of client server architecture. But here my point is what? Without using client server architecture, if we design and execute any application, then that application is called as what? Client. That means that application is called as what? Standalone application. Let us see some point here about this particular one. All of you guys observe carefully. For example, now this is my computer. This is my computer. I used to say computer as a mission every time. I used to say computer as a mission. Understand it clearly. In my point of view, mission in the sense, it may be a laptop, or it may be a computer, or it may be a mobile, or it may be anything. So a mission where programs are going to be executed. Even in any mission, programs are going to be executed. That's my meaning. We have to understand the terminology. We have to understand in my classes now. Okay, this is a mission. Now inside this mission, I want to write a program. I have written a program. This is my program. Of course, Java application only. By using Java programming, Java language only, I have used it to prepare this application. So I want to say this is what application. Some application. Good. Now all of you guys observe carefully. Whenever we prepare this application, when we execute this application, then what we have to do there? The total program I'm going to compile in this mission only. The total program I'm going to execute in the same mission only. Observe carefully. How many missions I have taken here? Only one mission I have taken. Only one mission in the sense. Now tell me, you only answer for it. Only one mission in the sense. Is there any chance to have client server architecture? If it is a client server architecture, definitely one mission is acting as client, another mission is acting as what? No, server. Do you have any client server architecture here? No client server architecture. Leave this one. Have I distributed my application logic over multiple missions? In over how many missions I distributed my application logic? In only one single mission I distributed my application logic or not? I provided my total application within a single mission or not? I have not distributed my total application over multiple missions. Am I right or not? So without distributing application logic over multiple missions and without using client server architecture, I prepared an application. Then that application is called as what? A standalone application. Guys, all of you are getting my point or not? Right, sir. The standalone application in the sense what here no? If you design and execute any application without using client server architecture, without distributing application logic over multiple missions, then that application is called as what? A standalone application. Clear or not? Okay, sir. Definition is okay. Understood up to now. Whatever the points here we are giving there, I understood these points here. You said to me, Java is available in three parts. J to SE, J to EE, J to ME. Okay, understand. J2SE we started. In J2SE, what you are saying there, first you have given abbreviation. What is abbreviation for J2SE? Java do standard edition. Okay. What it will cover? J2SE will cover what? It will cover only fundamentals of the Java, not too much Java. Okay. Next one is, by using these fundamentals of the Java, which type of applications we are able to prepare there? Only standalone applications we are able to prepare. Which type of applications we are able to prepare there? Standalone applications here we are able to prepare. Okay, up to that, okay, fine. What is this standalone application? If you design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as what now? Standalone application. Up to this is okay, sir. Good. Now my question is, standalone application definition you are given perfectly. That's okay. But tell me any example for the standalone application which are going on in outside. Any example for standalone application which are available at present? If you think about it, I will give very less number of applications only. I'm unable to give more and more number of applications about the standalone. Very less number of applications only I can give about the standalone applications. At least tell me some one or two examples for it. Guys, I'm asking one question to try to understand it clearly. For example, in my system, calculator. Okay, leave it. Calculator device is available or not? Calculator is one of the device. Now, what we are doing there now? Tell me. In that calculator, you may type some number. Say, for example, 5 plus 7. 5 or 7 are input. When we click on equal button, 12 is an output. We are getting in the same calculator or not? Now, tell me, when we provide 5 plus 7 and equal button there, internally program will be executed. By the execution of that program, some output will come there. That output will be provided in the same device. Now tell me, in this scenario, inside the calculator, one program is executed or not? The total program is executed within a single device or not? So when the total program is executed within a single machine, then that program is called as what now? A standalone application. Simple example I'm telling there. Calculator doesn't require any internet connection. Calculator doesn't require any remote mission and remote services. No. Within the same mission, the total program will be executed. The required outputs are coming within the same mission. So the program which is there inside the calculator is called as what they know is a standalone application. Leave it, guys. Not even that. Not even that. Now let's understand it now. Can you tell me at present in my computer, what are the various tools I'm using there now? This is what? Paint. This is what? Paint. Think of it. It's also a program. The paint is also a program. It is running in my computer or not? Okay, fine. Now tell me, to open this paint and to use this paint, is there any requirement for me to have a internet connection? Is it required to provide internet connection? Not required. Good. Now this paint is coming from any remote machine or within the same local machine I'm getting this paint now. Within the same machine I'm getting this paint. Am I right or not? So is it not the standalone application? Is it not the standalone application? Definitely this is what now? A standalone application. Leave this one. Apart from this, now I'm using a text editor. This is what there, this is a text editor. This is what text editor actually, Sublime Text I'm using. For the sake of my notes, no, I'm using Sublime Text is a text editor. Now this is also a program which was installed in my system, which is running alone in my single computer, which it doesn't require remote machine, which it doesn't require network setup here. So this type of application is also be called as what now? A standalone application. Not only that, if you observe this clearly, Edit Plus I'm using there. Edit Plus, for example, not only Edit Plus, Eclipse IDE I'm using there. This is Edit Plus. Now, for example, this is my Edit Plus. We can observe this clearly. This Edit Plus I'm using there. This is also a single program which is running in my computer. For the sake of little bit programming, I will use this Edit Plus initially. So this is also a single program which is running in my mission. This is also an example for what there? A standalone application. Leave all these things, guys. Leave all these things. Just I'm asking one thing to you. Try to observe carefully. In our mobile phones, some services are available. Some setups are available. Some services are available. For example, in our mobile phone, calendar is available. Tell me, in our mobile phone, calendar is available or not? That calendar is what? Is that calendar required any remote services at remote mission. Is that calendar required any internet connection? You know, directly when we open calendar, we are getting that calendar or not? This is an example for like what they know. This is an example for standalone application. Okay, all these things are like what? No, standalone applications only. I think at least we have to understand the intention of standalone applications for the individual user purpose, for the single user purpose. At a time, only one user can operate it. Such kind of applications are called as what? No, a standalone application. Got it or not? So number of examples are available for the standalone application. But still, I have a question, sir. If I take 100% of the applications in outside, how many applications are standalone applications? No? If I take 100% of the applications in outside, out of this 100%, no, how many applications are standalone applications? If you observe this particular point here, only 5% of the applications are 5% of the applications are standalone applications. Only 5% of the applications are standalone applications, not all the applications. Observe carefully. How many percentage of the applications are standalone applications? No, only 5%. Not the total 100% of the applications are standalone applications. All of you get my point or not? Good, guys. So up to now, what I discussed again, come again. Whatever the points here I discussed with you now, try to understand it clearly. How many parts are available in Java? 3 parts. What are the 3 parts now? J to SE, J to EE, J to MB. What is J to SE? Java 2 Standard Edition. Very clear. What J to SE will cover? Only fundamentals of the Java. That's nice. By using fundamentals, which type of applications we are able to prepare? Standalone applications. What is standalone application? If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is what now? Standalone application. Clear or not? Okay, fine. By using, okay, how much percentage of the applications are standalone in outside? No, only 5% of the applications. Clear or not? You may have one question in our mind. Okay, before that, I will ask one question to all of you guys. Everybody has to respond for me, for my questions. I'll ask one question now. Today you are attending for Java demo class. Am I right? Any confusion up to this point? All of you are coming for Java demo class only. Maybe full stack Java or basic Java, complete Java or core Java only. Finally, you are coming for Java demo class. Am I right or not? So my straight question to all of you, why you are learning Java programming language? Why you are learning Java programming language? Demanding in industry. Nice, very good. Of course, you may have a number of reasons. Sir, 3 years back, just before Corona, I completed my BTech. No, because of this pandemic situation, I'm unable to come out. So every day my parents came to me. My parents asked to me, "Are what you are doing at our home? Please go outside and try to do one job." My parents are forced to me. Why? Because already you are at 22 years of age, no, 22nd, already crossed there. Within 1 or 2 years, I have to give some marriage to you occasion. So go and get one job. Then only come to me. Then we will go for some occasion. Is that reason? Is it the reason for you? Okay, leave it. Right, sir. I completed my BTech just 1 year back only. So one of my friend, he's my classmate actually. He got job at IBM at Bangalore. Every month he is earning 60,000. Immediately, my besides a house, auntie and uncle are available. They came to me every day. They're asking to me, "Are, what you are doing? But my son is doing some work. But what you are doing here at your home?" Because of their force, I came to this particular place today. Is that a reason for you? No, sir. So I analyzed it market total in outside. No, I want to go for marriage actually, but in all the marriage, that means that occasions what people are asking there, if you have marriage, that means if you have job, then dowry will be 50 lakhs. If you are not having job, then dowry will be 5 lakhs only. So what I have to do? I have to increase my dowry. Because of that reason, now today I am coming here. Is that the reason for you? Right. leave all these things. Already I'm working in companies, sir. I'm in bench actually. So they said to me, try to learn Java in a short period of time. But I searched for somewhere else in Java, but nothing I'm getting there. I want to prove myself in Java. So I want to learn Java because of my company internal purpose, because of this getting into the project. So because of all these things, I'm trying to learn Java. This may be a reason, might be some of you know. Whatever it may be, my simple principle is what? Today you're coming here to learn Java is because of getting very good job. No doubt for that. Am I right or not? Is to get a job only you are coming, not because of your examinations, not because of your friends force, not because of your father force. Think about it. Just leave all these things. Once you step in inside the class, you have to think yourself. You are coming here about yourself only, not because of any other persons here. Think about it. So you are coming here to go for your permanent life settlement. Okay, I do agree. Even I'm not thinking much about it. No. Apart from that, because of getting job only, you are coming here. That's the main reason. For what purpose job is required? For what purpose job is required? You are looking for a job. For what purpose? What is the requirement to go for job? Because of two reasons. Number one is what? Identity. Very good identity. I want to have an ID card on my neck. One background I required. Might be the reason or not. But another important reason, that actual reason is what? Because of money. Am I right or not? Because of money or not? Money is required or not required? At least for our survival purpose, money is required or not? Okay, that final target is what? Identity and money. Because of these two reasons, everybody is thinking that entire world is fighting each other because of these two things only. Identity and what next one? You know, money. Because of these reasons only, you are trying to learn Java as per your own path. That's okay. I do agree for that. Anyway, my question is what? Listen, all of you guys. My question is what? Sir, I want to get job in outside. So now I'm searching for a course to get a job immediately. This is your question. This is your what you are having in your mind. So here, as per my explanation, what I given there, in outside 100% of the applications, if we take no, only 5% of the applications are what? Standalone applications. That means 5% of demand is going on with what? J2SE. Sir, now tell me, is it requirement for me to learn J2SE only because of 5% of the job opportunities in outside? Is it requirement for me? Is it necessary for me to learn J2SE? As we are having only 5% of the demand in outside, is it required for me? Is it necessary for me to get to go for J2SE separate learning process? No. Are getting my question clearly? So in outside, only 5% of the applications are standalone. Means that 5% of the utilization is available about what? No, J2SE. So for the sake of only 5%, I'm learning this Java. Now only 5% of the applications option, if it is available for me, what is the requirement to go for Java? Why I'm not going to select other technologies which is providing 95%? No. Understand my question clearly? What I am asking there? So only I'm learning now Java only because of 5%. No. Why I'm learning Java because of only 5% here? I want to go for some other technology which is giving 95% of the applications. No. If we come for this particular question, I will give one straight answer to all of you guys. Observe carefully. What is that answer I'm telling to you? Utilization point of view, demand point of view, for J2SE, it is only 5%. It's okay. It's okay. But its internal dependency level, its internal dependency level is 1000%. Is the internal dependency level is what? No, 1000%, not like 5%. Of course, we are able to use J2SE 5% in our application development. Okay, I do agree. But its a dependency level is what? 1000%, not even 100%. No. Sir, what is these numbers? No, you are saying demand for this is only 5%. Now again we are saying dependency level is what? 1000%. What is the meaning of it here? I'll give one example. Try to understand this example. How much this J2SE is important? No, I will give one simple example. Try to understand it. For example, all of you assume it. You're at your colleges. You're at your colleges. Just you completed your academics. Maybe MCA or BTech or MTech, whatever it may be. Just you completed. Now you want to learn a course at Amirpet and you want to get a job in a very good software company. With that mindset, you are coming to Hyderabad. Now still you are not decided which technology you want to take. Then you are inquire about the technologies, which technology is good for me to get a job. Okay, one person said to you, at might be while whenever we are walking in Amirpet, one person you met with one person, that person might be giving information to you. Array, don't go for Java. Java is somewhat difficult. Where might be too much programming is going on. So already I didn't went to the Java. Now I'm at the testing tools. No, Selenium testing I learned within 45 days of time. Now I'm working with a company. So don't go for Java. Then as per his thought, what you are doing there, you went to some institute where testing tools course is going on. You joined with that, just you attended for demo class on the testing tools. Then when you come for the testing tools demo class, no, trainer will come as usual. Just directly trainer will ask to everybody, what is that question there? Now you are trying to learn the testing tools, especially Selenium testing. Okay. How many of you know Java? How many of you aware Java? This question straightly the trainer will ask there. Where definitely nobody will raise their hands now. Why? Because they are thinking Java is too much difficult. That's why we are coming for a Selenium testing. But the Selenium trainer is asking to everybody, how many of you aware Java? Then he made a statement directly. If you want to learn a Selenium testing, if you want to learn a Selenium testing, you must know Java. You must have knowledge on J2SE part. You must have knowledge on core Java. So try to complete core Java course, then only come for Selenium. Then what is the situation that student know? He went for Selenium training. He understood there Selenium required what? Core Java. Then immediately he's thinking about it. Okay, Selenium is also not suitable for me as it is depending on core Java. So I want to go for some other alternative. Then immediately he met with some other person. That person given information to him. Okay, forget about Selenium testing and Java. Then there is another tool which is going on very good in outside. That tool is what now? Salesforce. Again, another technology and another tool. Then again he went for some institute to attend for the Salesforce demo. Again he went there. Trainer came as usual. As is the trainer asked to all the students know. Those who want to continue with the Salesforce technology, everybody must know core Java. Then only come for the Salesforce. If you don't know core Java, try to complete core Java, then come for the Salesforce. Again, that student is thinking Salesforce is also required core Java, so I don't want to go for the Salesforce, just leave aside. Then again he come back. Again he come back, he inquired about the course which is best suitable to him. Then immediately somebody else has given suggestion to him, Are why you come for testing tools on Salesforce no? Then better to go for like what their Android application development, mobile application development. Again, he went for some institute to attend for Android technology. There also what trainer has given information there. If you want to learn Android technology, you must know core Java. Then only come to me. Again, he's thinking about it. Android is also not suitable for me. Leave it. Again, he went to the somebody else. Then somebody else has given information. Forget about all these things. No, here we have another technology which is going on very good in outside. That is a Hadoop technology. Go and join with Hadoop classes there. Again, he went for some institute to attend for Hadoop classes there. In the same situation is repeated in Hadoop also. If you want to learn Hadoop, definitely we need to know core Java. Again, he's come back. Again, he's thinking what he has to learn there. Again, somebody has met to him, somebody has given information to him, and go and join with the SAP classes, ABAP or something else, SAP classes. He went there. There also, what happened there? Same situation is repeated. If you want to learn SAP tools, any tool, definitely core Java is required. Majority of the SAP tools required what now? Core Java. Again, he has to learn core Java. So finally, what he decided now, tell me, you only tell me, guys. Almost all 7 to 8 number of institutes he went there. He understood the requirement of core Java. Every tool is going on with the core Java. So what he has to decide now? What is the situation there? Finally, what he has to decide? He has to decide what he has to decide now. So if you want to survive in a software industry, if you take any tool, if you take any other tool there, if you want to bind with that particular tool, internally what I required there, internally what I required, that core Java is required or not? Internally that J2SE part is required or not? Internally core Java or J2SE part is required or not? So this is the dependency level of this Java programming language. This is the dependency level of the Java programming language. Direct utilization of the core Java is only 5% in application development. But how much it is dependent now? How much we are depending on this core Java? Entire software industry, almost all majority of the software tools are running on the top of core Java or not? Best example I have taken there, Android, mobile application development, SAP related tools now, Salesforce, Selenium testing, Hadoop, and so on and so on and so on. So many tools are running on the top of core Java or not? Now tell me, core Java is a dependent programming language for the entire software industry or not? So that's why I said to you clearly that Java dependency level is what? 1000%. Java dependency level is what now? 1000%. You may ask one more question to me now. One more question to me. Sir, I had something in outside market, no? Java is available, it's okay. But over this Java, Python is getting more demand. Why I'm not going to choose that Python programming language? Tell me, what is your reason? And moreover, I can learn a Python very easily. Now tell me, why I should go for this Python? Why you are saying to come for only Java? You may have this type of question also. But first of all, I want to give clarity on one point. Please remember, all of you. Java is not replacement for Python. Python is not replacement for Java. Both are on two different tracks. Both are straight lines. They never meet at any point. Both are at straight lines. Observe carefully. So again, I'm telling to you, all of you guys, observe carefully as per my analysis. Java is not replacement for Python. Python is not replacement for Java. Both are two different areas. I can give some clarity. Java meant for enterprise application development. Java meant for what? Enterprise application development. Python is meant for data analysis. Python is meant for data analysis. So Java area is for enterprise application development. So for example, I have a bank. I want to prepare a bank application. So Java is the right technology for it. But data analysis is available. Bulk data is available. Over that bulk data, I have to process the data. I need to go for some decision making. Bulk data is available. I have to process that bulk data. There I have to go for some decision making. There we have to go for what now? Data analysis. To analyze the data in effective mode, some algorithms we have to implement. To implement that algorithms, there we have to go for what now? Python programming language. That is Python area. This is Java area. How can we say both are alternatives for each other? No, definitely both are not alternatives for each other. But here also I can give one conclusion, guys. All of you observe carefully. What is the conclusion here I'm trying to give to you? All of you know. Everybody understand my conclusion clearly. What is the conclusion here? If you learn the core Java, then if you learn Python, then Python is a dead simple. Python is dead easy. Python is almost a catwalk. When if you learn core Java, then if you go for Python, Python is very, very simple. It is easy to switch from Java to Python. But if you learn Python and if you want to come for Java, it is too much difficult. Not possible, never. If you learn Python, then if you want to come for Java, it is not at all possible. Too much difficulty we can identify. See, in the entire software industry, what I am telling there, if you learn Java, then all other technologies are very, very simple. If you learn other technologies, then if you want to come for Java, it is too much difficult. It is not at all possible for you. So understand the dependency level of this Java clearly what I'm telling there. Not even that. Not even that. In the same class itself, I want to prove that only 5% demand is available for J2SE. In the next statement, I can say 95% of demand is available for what no? J2EE. 95% of the demand is available for what no? J2EE. You may have a question, sir, why I'm learning this J2SE directly? Why I'm not going to learn J2EE? As you are saying 95%. As you are saying 95%, why I'm not going to learn J2EE? Why I'm taking unnecessarily this particular J2SE part now? You may have this type of question. Here also my answer is what? If you want to work with J2EE, you must have knowledge on J2SE. This is foundation. This is foundation. Once we are having very good foundation, then we can go for anything. Maybe a good building, or we may go for mid-level building, and anything we can go. But if we have a strong foundation, then only it is possible to go for any direction. Am I right or not? So that strong foundation is provided by whom? J2SE part clearly. Guys, all of you are following what I am telling to you? Are you listening clearly? So finally, what is the conclusion I'm telling to you? Direct utilization of J2SE is what? Only 5%. But its dependency level is how much? No, 1000%. You can repeat the same as these quotations, what I'm telling inside the classes now. Dependency, direct utilization is only 5%, but its dependency level is what now? 1000%. Because of that reason, everybody has to learn what? Core Java. That is J2SE part. Got my point or not? Right, sir. Nice. Then what next one, guys? Now tell me, all of you know, what is the second part in Java? What is the second part in Java? Come on. What is the second part? What is the second part here? J2 EE. J2 EE. Oh, nice, guys. Observe carefully. Second part in Java is what? No, J2 EE. 1 minute, wait. J2 EE. Java EE. Okay, fine. What is the abbreviation for J2 EE, guys? What is the abbreviation for J2 EE? Java 2. What is this? No, enterprise applications. Come on. What is this J2 EE? Java 2 enterprise applications. Am I right or not? No response, guys. Java 2 enterprise applications. Good. Now tell me, J2SE we understand. J2SE will cover only fundamentals of the Java. J2SE will cover only fundamentals of the Java. Clear or not? But what about this J2EE? Actually, observe carefully. It will cover server side programming. It will cover server side programming. It will cover server side programming in the sense client server architecture related or not. Client server architecture is related with this particular point or not. So understand it now. J2EE will cover server side programming. Okay. Java to Enterprise Edition, not application. Java to Enterprise Edition. That's okay, fine. It will cover server side programming. That's okay, fine. Then by using the server side programming, which type of applications we are able to prepare? Which type of applications we are able to prepare, guys? Now tell me, by using server side programming, what type of by using fundamentals of the Java, we are able to prepare standalone applications. Am I right or not? Now by using server side applications, which type of applications we are able to prepare? Which type of applications we are able to prepare? We are able to prepare enterprise applications, or in other words, we are able to prepare distributed applications. Come on, guys, you have to answer for my questions. By using J2EE, which type of applications here we are able to prepare? Enterprise applications or what? Distributed applications. Here, no difference about these two no, at present here. In the future, when we are moving towards enterprise level applications, no, there we will talk again about distributed application and enterprise applications. But here we have to understand only high level definition for distributed application or enterprise application. Everybody understand it clearly. Now again I'm asking one question to all of you guys. Now try to answer for it. Can you tell me what is standalone application? Standalone application. What is the definition here? If we design and execute any application on the base without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is what? Standalone application. Clear or not? Listen carefully. What is distributed application? I'm telling exactly opposite point of standalone application is distributed application. Exactly opposite of standalone application. Now I'll give a definition. Try to understand it clearly. If we design and execute any application, what I'm telling there, on the basis of client server architecture, or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as what? Distributed application or enterprise application. Come on, guys, you only answer for my questions now. Now tell me, what is distributed application here? If we design and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as what? Distributed application or enterprise application. Get my point or not? Okay, good. Sir, tell me some examples for distributed applications or enterprise applications? Tell me some examples now. I'm giving strictly one point. Take any domain, any application. That application is related to distributed application only. I'm giving clear cut information. Take any domain. Banking domain maybe, aerospace domain maybe, insurance domain maybe, healthcare domain maybe, any domain you can take, where which applications are going on there now, distributed applications only. And let's see some examples now. Banking application, if we take an example, guys, banking application. For example, I want to transfer 10,000 amount from my account to my friend account. I want to transfer some amount from my account to my friend account. Observe carefully. My account is available in HDFC Bank. My friend account is available in ICICI Bank. Or maybe both the accounts are available in single bank also. Possibilities are available. No issues. Then what I have to do now? Tell me. Immediately, I have to open www.hdfcbank.com or not. I'll enter into the respective HDFC Bank website or not. When I entered into respective HDFC Bank website now, there I'm getting some menu. In that menu, I want to go for transactions part. Inside the transactions, I want to check transfer some amount from one account to another account. That option is available. Transfer option is available. For example, assume it. When I click on this transfer button, immediately it is asking some details or not. What is the details here? It is asking they know, right? Enter amount, how much you want to transfer. Receiver's bank details we have to enter, where account number and respective account holder name, everything we have to provide. Maybe some other codes are also be, might be some different required information we provided. Then after that, when we click on submit button, automatically a request will go to the bank or not, HDFC Bank or not. A request will be submitted to HDFC Bank or not. Now HDFC Bank people will talk with ICICI Bank or not. Now ICICI Bank will give that approval for it. ICICI Bank said some manipulations are completed. Some acknowledgement will be given to HDFC Bank now. HDFC Bank people will confirm the transaction. Then finally they will finish the total transaction and they will give some acknowledgement to the respective user. Yes, guys, all of you get my point or not? Now tell me here what's going to be happen now. Myself is a client, my mission is a client mission. HDFC Bank server side application is available or not? Request will be submitted to the HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank has given some response to my browser or not? Here I open only browser. My browser is acting as a client. Client is sending request to HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank has given some response to the respective client. This is one scenario. Internally, what happened there? HDFC Bank application will talk with ICICI Bank application or not? ICICI Bank application will give some response to the HDFC Bank application or not? There also be client server architecture is going on or not? HDFC Bank application is a client now, and ICICI Bank application is what now? Server side application. There also be request for response is going on or not? And finally, when response was submitted by ICICI Bank to the HDFC Bank now, HDFC Bank has given final response to me or not? Again, here it is a client server architecture is going on or not? If we touch this bank application at any part if we touch now, where client server architecture is going on, where what is going on there now, client server architecture is going on. So it's a part of the distributed application or not? It's a part of the distributed application or not? Come on guys, you have to answer for my question clearly. Is a distributed application or not? Leave this one here. For example, nowadays might be some offers are going on with e-commerce applications. Say for example, Amazon. Maybe next upcoming offer is what no? Great Freedom Sale is going on with Amazon and Flipkart. Now, what's going on there? If you open that Amazon.com, where what we are doing there, for example, if you are doing some online shopping, then I placed some of the products in an order. When I click on order, automatically request will be submitted to the Amazon server or not? That Amazon server side application will accept our request and automatically it will process that request or not? Finally, it able to give some information to me or not? Try to understand my point here now. So this is also an example for enterprise application or not? Okay, not only this e-commerce application, guys. Social network applications are available. Social network application, for example, Gmail application is available and Facebook is available. All the things are related to enterprise applications or not? All these are running on the base of client server architecture or not? Say for example, if I open the browser, where if I type www.facebook.com, if I type the browser, if I type www.facebook.com on the browser, immediately what we are getting there now? Immediately we are getting login page or not? Where we entered username and password or not? We may click on that login button or not? When you click on login button, automatically request will come to what there now? Server side application. Facebook server side application. Facebook server side application will take your information. It will check whether this person is the right person or not on the basis of username and password. Then if that user is right user, then it will provide the total account page to us or not. In that account page, you can see our photo and our total messages information and everything we are able to see. So got my point on that. Is also an example for a client server application or not. So similarly, take any area, take any domain. In every domain, which applications are available there? Distributed applications are available or enterprise applications are available. Because of that reason, I can say nearly 95% of the applications are 95% of the applications are what they know, distributed applications. 95% of the applications are what? Distributed applications. Guys, all of you are following my points clearly? All of you are getting clarity on these points, no? That's okay, fine. About J to EE, what I discussed up to now, tell me guys. About J to EE, what exactly the points I discussed up to now, tell me. First one is what? What is that J to EE? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. That's okay. What it will cover now, tell me. Server side programming. What it will cover there? No, server side programming. That's okay. Next one is, by using server side programming, which applications here we are able to prepare? No, enterprise applications are distributed applications. That's okay, fine. What is this distributed application here? If we design and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is what? Distributed application or enterprise application. And now tell me, how much percentage of the applications are distributed applications in outside? No, 95% of the applications are what? Distributed application. So 95% of the applications are distributed application in the sense J to EE demand in outside is 95% or not? J to EE demand is what now? 95% or not? But now tell me, is it possible to learn or is it possible to work with J to EE without J to SE? Is it possible to work with J to EE without knowing J to SE? So if you want to work with J to EE, definitely we must know what J to SE or not. So that's why today we are learning this core Java. Because of this reason also we are learning what? No, core Java. Clear or not? All right, sir. That's okay, fine. Number of examples also were given there. Now tell me guys, once again I'm asking one question there. Once again I'm asking one question there. How many parts are available in Java? What are the three parts now? Tell me. J to SE, J to EE, and what next one? No? J to ME. What is the third one here? J to ME. At least what is the definition? What is the abbreviation for J to ME? Tell me guys. Java 2, J to ME. What is this M actually? Java 2, what is this M? M stands for mobile. Am I right or not? M stands for what they know? Mobile. Am I right or not? M is what? Mobile or not? J to ME, Java 2, it is not mobile. This is what? Micro edition. Please remember all of you know. Most of the people are having some misthing about this J to ME. Most of the people are saying Java to mobile edition. No, it is not mobile edition. That actual name is what? No, micro edition. Java to micro edition. Please remember this. Java to micro edition. That's okay, fine. Tell me guys, all of you now tell me, J to SE will cover fundamentals of the Java, clear. J to EE will cover server side programming. Similarly, what J to ME will cover? It will cover micro programming. It will cover what? Micro programming. It will cover what? Micro programming. Good. By using fundamentals of the Java, we can prepare standalone applications. By using server-side programming, We can prepare distributed applications. Very clear. Now, by using microprogramming, we are able to prepare mobile based applications. We are able to prepare what? Mobile based applications. Somewhat related with mobile only, but M is not mobile. M is for what there? Micro. J to M stands for Java to Micro Edition. It will cover micro programming. By using this micro programming, we are able to prepare what? Mobile based applications. Sir, what is this mobile based application? What is the meaning of this mobile based application? Very simple definition. Observe carefully. If we design and execute any application on the basis of mobile hardware architecture, on the basis of the mobile hardware, if we design and execute any application, then that application is called as what? No, mobile based application. Tell me, what is mobile based application? If we design and execute any application on the basis of mobile hardware, then that application is what they know? Mobile based applications. Exactly. Wait, let me talk about it. All right, sir. So for standalone applications, we have given a number of examples, sir. You said to us in our computer, paint, calculator, and all the things you said it is an example for standalone. And we have given number of examples for enterprise applications also. Banking applications maybe, social network applications maybe, e-commerce applications maybe. All the applications are somewhat related to what their enterprise applications. Similarly, now tell me any example for mobile based application? Any example for mobile based application? Right. Listen carefully. I will give some examples to you about these mobile based applications now. Listen carefully. For example, I have a mobile phone. Listen, observe carefully. I have a mobile phone. Okay. I want to open Facebook in my mobile phone. So what I have to do? I have to go for Play Store. In the Play Store, I have to search for Facebook app. When we identified Facebook app, then we have to click on install button or not. When we click on install button, observe carefully. Facebook application is installed to your mobile phone or not? That Facebook app is installed in our mobile phone or not? Listen carefully. That is not the Facebook application directly. That is not the Facebook server side application. That is what one application is installing in our mobile phone. By using this Facebook mobile phone application, you can interact with the mobile. We can interact with the Facebook server side application. Understand my point? What I'm telling you. So, if you want to open Facebook application is a server side application. If you want to open that in our mobile phone, here we require one local application or not? In our mobile phone, we need one local application or not? That application, whatever the application you are trying to install on our mobile phone, that app is nothing but what there no mobile app. Leave it. Another example I'm telling there. For example, I have Airtel connection, guys. I have my network is what? Airtel network. In my mobile phone, I'm using Airtel network. Postpaid connection I have taken, not prepaid, postpaid only. So every month I have to pay the bill or not? Maybe 1,000 rupees or 1,500, whatever the slab I have taken. No, every month I have to pay the bill or not? Maybe in the olden days, what we have to do? We have to stand in front of the Airtel showrooms. We have to stand there. Then we have to Airtel counters. We have to go there. There we are going to pay the bills physically. That is what we are doing. In which way we are getting milk every day at a milk booth. Similarly, Airtel store, we have to go there. We have to stand in the queue. We have to pay the bill. But by seeing the total scenario, Airtel people have given one flexibility for us. What is that flexibility? No need to come for what there. No need to come for Airtel store. Just we are giving one app to you in our mobile phone. We are giving one individual application in our mobile phone. Try to install it. If you install that app in our mobile phone, every time, every month, you can pay the bill to Airtel through this app only, not required to come for Airtel store. Then what is the tab that Airtel people have given in our mobile phone there? My Airtel. What is the tab name there? No, My Airtel. My Airtel app is available, then they are giving information to us. Now try to download from Play Store, try to install it in our mobile phone, then open it. Whenever we open it, it is asking about your account number, your network account number, or maybe your mobile number. It is asking there. If everything is clear, your total information is available to your this app or not. You are in this particular slab for month. This is a payment. Last 3 months, how much is a payment for me? Then every information we are getting through this app or not. Then here, whatever the app we installed on the mobile hardware, whatever the app we install on the mobile phone, that app is nothing but what they know, mobile based application. Simply speaking, if you open your mobile phone, see what are the various apps which are running there in our mobile phone. All these apps are nothing but what they know, mobile based applications. Okay, good. Okay, sir. This is about mobile based application that I understood clearly. Standalone applications are how much percentage there? 5% only. Enterprise applications are how much percentage? No, 95% only. Now tell me, how much percentage of the applications are going on with these mobile based applications, guys? All right, the answer is what? 100% of the applications are what? No, mobile based applications. Everywhere mobile apps are going on. In every organization, mobile apps are available or not? In every organization, mobile apps are also existed here. Try to understand my point. Nowadays, it is very demanded one. Nowadays, it's very demanded area. Am I right or not? Nowadays, it's very demanded area. Again and again, I'm telling you, listen carefully. Mobile-based application development is a hot in outside market. Every time demand is going on for that. Okay? Mobile-based applications are demanded or not? Mobile-based applications are very much demanded, but J2ME is almost all dead in outside. Mobile based application development is a highly demanded area. Every time might be very good demand is going on for mobile based applications. But even though mobile based applications are having very good demand, but no demand is available for what? J2ME. No demand is available for J2ME. Almost all dead. At Java said that J2ME is almost all dead. Nobody is talking about J2ME. But physically J2ME is available, but it is not having any demand in outside market. But you are saying mobile based applications are demanded in outside, but J2ME is not having any demand. You are saying that. What is this opposite statement, sir? You may ask some question to me, but I'm giving answers to you clearly. For mobile application development, number of alternatives are available in outside market. Best example, Android. When Android is coming into the picture, automatically everybody is thinking about Android mobile application platform only. Nobody is thinking about what they know, J2ME. iPhone technology is available, Swift technology is available, Android is available. Because of these many alternatives, which are grooming in outside fastly, because of that reason, nobody is thinking about what there, J2ME, and no demand is available for what there, J2ME. Because of that reason only, nobody is thinking about what they know, J2ME. Not even that simple example I'm telling there. If the technology is demanded technology, definitely courses are going on at Amirpet. If the technology is very good demanded, definitely number of institutes are conducting courses. Am I right or not? So can you identify any institute which is taking classes on J2ME? Will you identify that at present? No. Inquire at the entire Amirpet, there nearly 5,000 institutes are available. Think about it. Will you identify any training center which is conducting classes for J2ME? Simple reason, simple example I'm telling there. Why no institute is running classes on J2ME? What is the reason for it? What is the reason for it? The only one reason is what? Nobody is thinking about J2ME. No student is coming for J2ME. Why no student is coming for J2ME? No demand is available for it in outside. Because of that reason, no chances to conduct classes on what there? J2ME. Not any other institute. Durgasoft, we are not conducting J2ME. At Durgasoft, you are not taking class on J2ME. Why? Because no demand is available for it. So by this we can understand clearly J2ME is almost all dead in outside, but mobile application development area is a very good in outside market. Very good demand is going on for this mobile based application development, but demand is not available for J2ME. Guys, now this is the total scenario about Java and its parts clearly. Now give that final information to me, guys, all of you. Give final information to me. Listen carefully. How many parts are available in Java? 3 parts. What are the 3 parts in Java? J to SE, J to EE, J to ME. Answer for my questions only. What is J to SE? Java to Standard Edition. What is J to EE? Java to Enterprise Edition. What is J to ME? Java to Micro or Mobile? Micro Edition. Good. What J to SE will cover? What J to SE will cover? Fundamentals of the Java. What J to EE will cover? Server side programming. What J to ME will cover? Micro programming. By using fundamentals of the Java, which type of applications we are able to prepare? Standalone application. By using server side programming, which type of applications we are able to prepare? Distributed applications or enterprise applications. By using micro programming, which type of applications we are able to prepare? Right, sir. Like what now? Mobile based applications. Clearly. What is standalone application? If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture, without distributing application logic over multiple machines, that's okay. What is enterprise application or distributed application? If we design and execute any application on the base of client server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, that application is distributed application. What is mobile based application? If we design and execute any application on the basis of mobile hardware system, then that application is what? There mobile based application. Standalone application percentage is what in outside? 5%. Enterprise application percentage is what? 90%, 95%. Mobile based application percentage is what? 100% now. Now tell me, demand for J to S in outside is very less. Demand for J to EE in outside is very high, and J to ME demand is also be very less in outside. But mobile based application is having demand in outside here. Next one. Now tell me, dependency level if we talk now, J to S is more dependent or J to EE more dependent now? J to SE is a more dependent. J to SE is a demand. That means is a J to SE on the top of J to SE only. Entire software industry is going on. Even if you want to learn J to ME, we need awareness on J to SE. If you want to learn J to ME, then there we require what there now? J to SE. So these are the concepts here we discussed clearly about our content, guys. Right? Clearly. So do one thing. And today, might be I want to explain what exactly my plan, what I am going to take, and how we have to plan for these courses and everything I want to discuss there. Due to the lack of the time, I want to talk about this total scenario, the total information on tomorrow. Tomorrow also we have a session. Day after tomorrow, Sunday, no class, again on Monday. So tomorrow also we have a session. Without fail, try to attend for this class now. Tomorrow, I'm going to give guidelines, total guidelines. Guidelines information is what there, how to plan for our career. That is more important than technology, what you are learning. See, one thing I'm telling there, without a plan, if you try to learn the Java is not going to be completed for you. So definitely we need a proper plan to start our career in Java. So tomorrow maximum, first half an hour to 45 minutes of time, I will talk about the technology only. Then after that, I will give information how to plan for our career. What we have to do to get our career in a proper way, to see our career in proper way. If we take the steps today, it has to give platform for us in the next 25 to 30 years of time. That will be the permanent solution what I'm going to provide. So don't miss the tomorrow session. Tomorrow is totally about our career and what is my platform, what is my plan to give the total environment to learn Java. What exactly the plans I'm having to provide services for all the students here. What Durgasoft is providing services to all the students. No, the total guidelines related information I will talk with you on tomorrow for everybody. So don't miss the tomorrow's class. Whether you are going to join with Durgasoft or not, secondary, but it will be useful for you for your bright future. So everybody try to attend for the class. Will you come for the tomorrow's class or not? Guys, will you come for tomorrow's class or not? Yes, without failure, try to attend for tomorrow. At what time we have to attend for tomorrow class there? 7 to 8:30. Morning 7 to 8:30. IST. Morning 7 to 8:30 IST. Everybody has to attend for it. This is one information. And one small announcement, guys. I think our people have given information to me. Right, morning 6 o'clock onwards, they are sending message to me. Especially for offline students, those who want to register for these courses tomorrow, that means today, tomorrow, and Monday, maximum Monday. you will get a videos access of the same course up to how many classes I'm taking, how many courses I'm taking there. As per our registration, up to that you are able to get that video classes along with this. Every class is being recorded. That recorded videos will be provided to you. That is a case what Durgasoft is giving announcement. Actually, they are giving this type of announcement. Actually, I don't like to talk about all these administrative kind of things inside the class, but it will be a benefit to you if you're trying to join with these classes tomorrow, today, tomorrow, and Monday. Max Monday is the last date. You will get video support for offline students also. Guys, understand what I'm telling there? Don't think I'm doing business inside the classroom. Just I don't like to give this kind of announcements also. But my office people have forced me to give this kind of announcement inside the class. Even I thought of it, it may be benefit for you. That's why I'm talking about it clearly. So tomorrow at what time we have to come here? 7 o'clock. 7 to 8:30, our class is going on. Tomorrow I will give the big picture. What we have to do, what we have to learn in Java, how to learn Java, how much time we have to spend to learn this Java, and about our future, how to apply for the companies while learning courses, what we have to do, what I am providing behalf of Durgasoft to all of you, how to give a clear-cut path for our bright future. Then everything I will discuss with you. Don't miss the tomorrow's class. It is more than the technology. These guidelines are more than the technology. Don't miss the tomorrow's class clearly. Okay, clear? So that's all, guys. And today and tomorrow will be tomorrow at 7 o'clock. I will start your session. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Guys, those are attending in online. Any queries about it? Anything else about it? Guys, those are attending in online. And shall we meet? Shall we meet on tomorrow? Shall we meet on tomorrow, guys? Shall we meet on tomorrow? Yeah, 1 minute. 1 minute. I think we have a query. Years of experience, 10 years of. Yeah, Jayant Agrawal, I'm talking with you. My total years of experience is 10 years. Which Java experience is 3.5 years. After completing this course, able to work like 10 years of experience or at least 7 years of experience as Java professional. Jayant Agrawal, just already you had some experience on Java up to 3.5 years of experience in Java. That's okay. But whatever the knowledge I'm giving inside my classes now, I am then with these concepts, with this knowledge, we can put up to 5 years of experience. I can suggest up to 5 years of experience. So up to 5 years of experienced person, how much knowledge they required, I can inject up to that. Why? Because more than 5 years of experience in the sense that expectations will be more from the companies. So maximum, I'm not giving guarantee beyond that. Up to 5 years of time, how much knowledge is required, up to that, I can give inside my classes there. Jayant, are you getting my point clearly? Okay. All of you are getting my point clearly. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah, exactly. పైథాన్ ఉన్న అంతకు ముందు యాక్చువల్ పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ డేటా సైన్స్ అనేది ఎప్పుడైతే ప్రూవ్ అవుతుందో ఆ టైం నుంచి వాళ్ళకి ఒక లాంగ్వేజ్ కావాలి విచ్ ఇస్ సూటబుల్ టు డేటా అనాలిసిస్. అప్పుడు సెర్చ్ కొడితే జావాని కూడా సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నారు ఇనిషియల్ గా. జావా కూడా సపోర్ట్ చేస్తారు డేటా సైన్స్ ఇనిషియల్ గా. కాకపోతే ఏంటంటే జావా ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ స్టైల్ అంతా కూడా ఈ టోటల్ కంప్లీట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఓరియంటేషన్ స్టైల్ అయిపోయింది. అదంతా కూడా కంప్లీట్ ఎంటర్ప్రైజ్ లెవెల్కి వెళ్ళిపోయేసరికి డేటా అనాలిసిస్ సెట్ అవ్వట్లేదు. తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఏంటని చెప్పి సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకునే పనిదే అప్పుడు పైథాన్ తీసుకొచ్చి పెట్టినారు. ఈ పైథాన్ లో ఉన్న లైబ్రరీస్ కానీ ఇవన్నీ కూడా సమ్వాట్ రిలేటెడ్ విత్ మ్యాథమెటికల్ ఆపరేషన్స్, మ్యాథమెటికల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్. సో దే రిక్వైర్ దట్ రిలేటెడ్ టు దట్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ అండ్ ఆల్ ది అనాలిసిస్. That's why they selected Python programming language. Then Python is, say, when data science is getting more demand in outside, then automatically Python is getting demand. From that point onwards only Python is getting more demand. Previously, before this data science, nobody is talking about Python, but still Python is available. 1991 Python came into the picture, but in 1996 Java was introduced there. But by the time onwards Python is available, but nobody is thinking about Python because of its legacy content. But when data science is getting more demand in outside, they need a programming language. It has to provide some scripting for the sake of data analysis. For that purpose, Python people have selected there, and people have used that Python is a suitable language for data science. Then immediately when data science is getting boom, automatically Python is also getting boom. That's it. So here clearly Python is for what? Data analysis, and Java is for enterprise application development. Both are totally different tracks. Thank you. Yeah. అంటే ఒకటండి, ఇక్కడ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇండస్ట్రీ is a open platform for everybody. So then if you put at least 1 year of experience, nobody will bother about your academic career. Then everybody is thinking about at present in which company we are working, whether you are suitable person or not, your skill set is the right skill set for them or not. They will think on that way only. Then if you are proper person, if you are the person you are having idea on this particular one, then you are able to definitely. Fine. Okay, nice. అంటే ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే ఒకటమ్మా, ఇట్స్ నాట్ లైక్ ఎనీ జాబ్ గ్యారంటీ ప్రోగ్రామ్. So but we can invite the number of companies from outside. As of now we are having nearly 50 to 55 number of companies in our hand. So we are inviting companies here, they will come here and they will conduct the drives. But in the drives definitely everybody will select. That's okay, that is one possibility. But what I'm telling, before all these things, what I'm telling there, whatever the knowledge I'm giving inside the classes, no, with that knowledge everybody will get 80% of the chances are available to get job in outside. Not only through Durgasoft platform, but here also we are conducting the company drives. But with our knowledge, if you go outside there, 80% of chances are available to get job. So Durgasoft success rate is nearly 80%. So for every 100 members, 80 members will get job, no doubt for that. Maybe 1 month before or 1 month later. Definitely they will get jobs. Yeah, no issues, no issues. No, on the base of degree only, number of companies are coming there. Even in IBM also, drives are going on for degree holders. So no issues, no need to think about it. Except intermediate, everybody is having opportunity. Maybe after 10 years, maybe we may think about intermediate students also. Chances are available. Nowadays, software industry is going on like that. Don't worry, you don't worry. Come to the classes regularly and say, listen the content clearly and study properly. Then definitely you'll have chances. So one more clarity I want to give: why I'm not conducting job guarantee programs. I'll give some reason there. If you want to get job, for example, if you want to get job, my participation is only 30%. Just if you are coming inside the class, I will teach it. If you're not coming inside the class, then what I will do? So 70% of the effort come from your side only. So for our 70% effort, how can I give guarantee from my side? No. So 70 up to 70%, if you work well, you will get job. Up to 70%, if you are not work well, definitely will not get job, sure. But my participation is same for every student. So because of that, see, my philosophy is job guarantee program is a blunder. I don't want to follow such kind of words, but I can give how I can make you how to prepare for interviews and how to clear your interviews. I will make you how to do projects in our companies after selecting in the company. Then in that way, I will improve your knowledge. But I will not give guarantee for your job trials. Why? Because that is 70% depending on you. Only 30% is from my side. Definitely, I will fulfill the 30% effectively. Why? Because I am taking classes for everybody. So that's why it's not like job guarantee. It's like job oriented program. Fine. So definitely. Then after completion of your courses there, from the behalf of Durgasoft, will give certificates. Then by see, whenever you are leaving from Hyderabad there, whenever see, for example, see, you have a purpose, then only you are going to leave from Hyderabad there. By the time, just meet me, then I'll give certificate. Don't worry for that. So at any cost of time, at any point of time, for example, after 1 month of time, if you are getting job, you want to leave from the classes middle, don't worry, then come to me, then I will give certificate to you. Then here no restrictions are going on with students. No problem. Then you will get it, everything. Thank you, thank you. 2 minutes. Guys, anything else? Guys, on timing and everything I will discuss on tomorrow, guys. Yeah, everything I will discuss about the class timings and everything on tomorrow. Don't worry for it. So and tomorrow come for the session, same link, and tomorrow I will give the total guidelines to you, then what I am providing to you and how we are going to plan for these courses and everything I will give clarity. Don't worry. And today just I have taken one introduction class, just it is get together, just I'm meeting with you. Then tomorrow we are going to see maximum content. I'll give the total information to you, the timings of these batches and everything I'll discuss with you guys. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. Anything else, guys? Those are attending in online. Anything else? Shall we meet on tomorrow? Shall we meet on tomorrow? Shall we meet on tomorrow? Yeah, that's nice. Sounds good. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. We'll meet on tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow exactly at 7 a.m. IST. Okay. Thank you. Nice. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.